The Marcy ME709 Recumbent Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike combines the benefits of working out in a relaxed and comfortable seating position. Many of the features found on larger, more expensive recumbent exercise bikes are present on the ME709. The recumbent seating position keeps you comfortable throughout your workout, so you stay motivated to push further. Shape, firm, and tone your body while improving your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. Features include smooth, quiet, magnetic resistance, 8 preset levels of resistance, a comfortable seat with oversized pads, fully adjustable for people with different leg lengths. An easy-to-read computer displays your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. A step-through frame design makes it easy to get in and out. The Marcy ME709 is easily rolled away for storage when you're done with your workout.
The 230 Recumbent bike from Schwinn Fitness features a new simplified console to help you feel confident about making a good investment for your active lifestyle. Consumers just like you helped us improve how workout metrics are displayed. With our dual-track screens, you can pop a magazine or tablet into the media rack and still keep an eye on time, distance, and calories. A built-in USB charging port even keeps your device battery full while you work out. With 20 levels of resistance and 22 fitness programs, it's easy to find your ideal cardio workout. The 230 Recumbent bike features a vented seat bottom and back, a sliding seat rail system for easy adjustments, and a convenient step-through frame. Ergonomically placed sensors make it easy to monitor your heart rate, and sealed acoustic speakers keep you moving to the beat while the 3-speed fan keeps you cool. Bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn Fitness into your home.